Hi, you're through to Sandhya from Yoga Keynsham. Do you ever feel really stressed out and the littlest of things will happen to you and you'll just suddenly snap and shout and you're not really sure why things are starting to bother you so much? Well, you may have heard the concept of a stress bucket. So we all have our own little buckets and they're just a certain size. And when stresses occur in our life, or things we perceive as stresses, our bucket begins to fill up. And some stresses might be larger than others, some smaller, some more spiky than others. And at some point, our bucket becomes completely full. And this is where we can really reach our tipping point, so then we can just snap at the littlest of things. So really what we want to try to do is relieve these stresses, release the tension from our bodies. So we might have things like meeting friends, that de-stress us, going for a massage, going to yoga, meditation. So that helps relieve some of the stresses. So when another stress occurs, we don't actually reach our tipping point. So we've got a bit more room space for that. So if you let me know what you think about this video and what you think your stress relieving activities are, and if you want to visit my website to receive my 5 simple tips for relieving stress, please go to www.yogakeynsham.com. That's www.yogakeynsham.com to receive those for free. Take care. Bye-bye.